Taking years off of your face to help you look younger is really important, especially when it comes to building up your confidence. We've made our way now to Cosmedica Professional Skincare Center, and joining me right now is the medical director, Dr. Otto Weiglein. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So what rewards do you get out of being the medical director at Cosmedica?
That's a really good question. It's really a twofold kind of thing. The first reward is I get to participate in the transformation of people's lives, to restore their confidence in their workplace and in their individual personal lives, and I get to see that every day. And the second reward is, as medical director, we control our environment here, and we provide a very safe, caring environment that tragically sometimes you don't see at hospitals.
What kind of services do you offer here for a lot of your patients?
It's a really good question. It depends on what patient demographic you're talking about. When we're talking about the younger women 25 to 45, these are mummy makeover patients, breast lift and tummy tuck, and up into the 45 to 50 and on is basically cosmetic facial surgery.
Do you have some men patients that come through?
We do actually. It's not a huge part of our demographic, but we do in fact treat male patients.
In what regard? Like what surgeries do they have done?
Men are liposuction patients, and they're eyelid patients.
Oh, eyelids to make them look younger?
Absolutely.
But aren't the guys pretty proud of the keg, bought and paid for? Like, I want to hold this baby right here, no?
Yes, the buffet muscle, they're proud of that, but they do want to get rid of it.
Okay. Cosmetic also has a lot of non-surgical treatments, and joining me right now is the manager, Chantel Mazon. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So what happens, Chantel, when you bring your clients in for a consultation? Take us through the process.
Sure, Hal. They come upstairs and Nancy greets them, and she's the client care specialist, and then I bring them into the room, we sit down one-on-one, they go into any concerns that they should have, and we discuss the treatment options available, and they'll put together a treatment plan according to their needs and budget.
So can you help me maybe take years off of my face and look a little bit younger?
Well, Hal,
you know the help I can get here.
There's a few options that you have.
Okay, let's talk about it.
So when we're talking to a patient, what we do is we look at the face and the different lines that are coming on their face. To reduce the intensity in the frown area, what we typically do is talk about BOTOX. And BOTOX relaxes the contractions of the muscles that cause the unwanted lines that furrow in between your brows. And when we're talking about the lower face, we go into filler. And filler is to restore the volume loss, so these types of lines, the downward mouth corners, and a little bit of the hollow around your eyes that may make one appear tired. And we go into the filler options.
So that'd be good for smokers too, because a lot of times they get lines from all the years of smoking too, right?
The smokers is repeated muscular contractions, the vertical lip lines, and we can put a little bit of BOTOX for that.
And the crow's feet, because I'm always laughing all the time. It's all the lines here. You can help me with that?
Yeah, those are muscular contractions. So when you constrict your eye muscle, it causes a little bit of a line there. We relax the contractions of the muscles with BOTOX. And if you do want to get some further softening around the inner part of the eye to restore some volume loss and look less tired, we put filler in there.
I also got a little bit of sun damage here last summer when I took my son to the beach. Can you help me with some of this?
Yes, those brown spots, Hal, are from sun exposure, and we do have a machine called the Intense Pulse Light that targets those conditions.
Can we go try that now?
Sure.
Okay. So here's the treatment room. Oh, and I see Tracy's with us. I guess I gotta have a seat here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll have a seat. And yeah, I want to try and get rid of some of the sun damage. My hand looks like it's 90 years old. You can help me with that. First things first.
Okay.
Well, I guess we gotta clean up my hand a little bit first.
So what we're gonna do is Tracy is going to clean your hand first with a little bit of an antiseptic, and then we're gonna apply ultrasound gel.
Okay.
And apply the machine, and you will feel a little bit of a zinging sensation, similar to the sensation of an elastic band.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Well, there's the gel. Can I use that for my hair as well? Slick the hair back a little gel? Or
it won't work.
Won't work? Not the same.
No,
okay.
I don't think you're...
Oh, I guess we have to protect our eyes too?
We do have to protect our eyes.
Thank you.
You're a big guy.
I got a fat head. We'll make these work. Okay, there. Got it.
Perfect. You're all set to have your first IPL treatment.
IPL, wow, okay.
So this is the hand piece, and you can see Tracy's going to follow a grid-like pattern and put depressions right in the ultrasound gel so she can see where she's gone.
Wow, look at that.
The bright light is targeting the pigmentation under the skin and causing it to lift to the surface and exfoliate off.
Fascinating, wow.
How does that feel, Hal?
That's not bad at all, there's just a little pinch.
A little pinch.
That's all I'm feeling. That essentially takes care of a lot of the sun damage.
It is treating the sun damage as we speak, turning back the clock.
And how long is the healing process for something like this?
For this, Hal, you're looking at about a 5-day maximum timeline. What's going to, and what the anticipated reaction is the darkness of the lesion is going to lift to the surface. It's going to turn into a darker brown, and then it's going to crisp off. So it'll take about 5 days to resume back to your normal skin tone.
And then make sure that I always wear sunscreen on my hands when I'm driving her out of the beach from now on.
Of course, to prevent new damage from appearing.
Wow.
I've been seeing Dr. Weiglein for the last 9 years. Started off as a patient downstairs. Because of the amount of care that I received and the amount of time they take with their patients, they really do make you feel like family here. So in turn, I decided to come upstairs and try the BOTOX, and I've never looked back. It's a great service.
At Cosmedica, I've been here for almost 19 years, and it was here due to facial discoloration, and from there I tried a little bit of the BOTOX as well as a little bit of filler just to fill in the fine lines and to get me looking a little bit younger. And also I have a trust thing with the people I'm dealing with at Cosmedica. They've made me feel that I'm important to them, as well as my confidence was up there for all of the time that I've been here. They've been great.
So whether it's a double chin, crow's feet, or so much more, these guys can make you look and feel so much younger. Chantel, thanks so much for joining us on We Mean Business. Pleasure having you on.
Thank you, my pleasure.
It's Cosmedica. Check out their website, or make sure you check them out as well on Locust Street in Burlington.